Welcome to Cook the Math, where culinary art meets mathematical precision. Thank you for joining. We are back with a brand new series called Sensible Cuisine, that is sensible with a C, where we take more traditional recipes and see how much it costs to make. And for this brand new series, I'm going to start by making a traditional brownie. And this is going to be a one bowl brownie recipe from Urban Bakes. The ingredients that I am using are butter, sugar, cocoa powder, eggs, vanilla, although in this case I'm using almond extract because I did not have vanilla, and flour. After I bake this, we are going to look at how much it costs for the ingredients and then figure out how much it will cost per serving. So let's get started. I did preheat the oven to 350 degrees. And I already prepared the pan according to the directions. Alright, so the first thing I did was I melted the stick of butter in 30-second increments. It took about a minute and a half. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisk in the sugar and the cocoa powder. So, our sugar, we need 1.5 cups of that. I'm going to whisk it all together. Now I'm going to mix in 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. I'm going to do tablespoon increments here. I believe the rest of this is about 3 tablespoons, so we are going to just finish off that. Now we are going to whisk in 2 eggs. Now, normally the recipe calls for vanilla extract, but I only have almond extract. And it says that you need to use half of the recommended amount of vanilla to substitute it for almond extract. And the recipe initially calls for a teaspoon, so I'm going to use half a teaspoon. So now it's time to add the flour, and I'm going to use the spoon method where I spoon the flour into the cup and use this to level it out before putting it in. And I'm going to move this a little bit over so you can see both of that. Now we're going to use the spatula to fold it in until everything is combined. Now we're going to put it evenly into the pan and bake it. Now, similar to the Diner DIY episodes, we have split up the ingredients into 3 different columns. The first column is the total price, which is the price of the entire item you would get. Next is dollars per serving, where you would take the price and divide it by the number of servings. And then lastly, the cost per part, where we multiply it by how much of that product we need to get the cost of how much it is to make. So we're going to start off with the butter, which is $3.98 for 4 sticks. Sugar was $3.14 for 9.5 cups. Cocoa powder, even though I use the Aldi brand, we're going to just use the Great Value Walmart brand. $2.48 for about 2.8 cups. Eggs was $3.26 for a dozen. Almond extract is $3.62. And similar to vanilla, it's about 12 teaspoons. And flour is $2.38 for quite a lot, 18.75 cups. Dollars per serving, so we're going to do $3.98 divided by 4, which we're going to round this up to $4, and this is about $1. And because we needed a stick of butter, that also is going to be our dollar per part. Our sugar, $3.14 divided by 9.5. That's about 33 cents. Cocoa powder, $2.48 divided by 2.8. That is 89 cents. Our eggs is $3.26 divided by 12, and that is 27 cents. Our almond extract, $3.62 divided by 12, and that is 30 cents. And then lastly, our flour, $2.38 divided by 18.75 is about 13 cents. Now we can multiply this by how much we used. So for our sugar, we used 1.5 cups. So multiplying that is going to be 50 cents. Cocoa powder, we used half a cup of that, so that's going to be about 45 cents. For eggs, we used 2, so multiply this by 2, we get 54 cents. For our almond extract, we used half a teaspoon, so divide this by 2, we get 15 cents. And then our flour, we used 3/4 of a cup, so we're going to say about 10 cents. Now, when we add all these together, for 1 tray of brownies, it is going to cost $2.74. Now, in the servings, it says it will make 16 of these brownies. So, when we divide this by 16, we would get a total of 17 cents per brownie. Which means that if you were to sell these for $1, you would get 83 cents profit per brownie. And if you were to get everything, if you didn't have any of these items, it would be a total cost of $18.86. Although do keep in mind that the price will vary depending on where you're from, what store you go to, and what brand you get. So anyway, that is the cost breakdown for brownies. If you would like to suggest what I should do next, make sure to comment that down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and keep on cooking and calculating.